Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a auto attendance with Arduino. So we need an Arduino Uno, a USB cable to upload the code to Arduino, an RFID card with reader. I have 2 tags and 2 cards in case of many persons you need. How many person you need? Now we need a breadboard. We need an LCD display with I2C and some jumper wires. Now we're gonna assemble it, and we have connect the RFID card to the Arduino. Code and diagrams are in the description in the video. It's so easy to make. Now you can see here we need to power this, and now in this case you might face a problem, like when you take the card or the tag in here, it will say the code didn't match. Okay, now you have what to do. Open your Arduino IDE. I don't have the OBS, so I can easily show you that. Okay, now in here open this Arduino IDE and then open serial monitor, and then in here it will say ready to read RFID cards. When you place one card in here, it will but it will say the number, UID tag number. So you need to copy this UID number into here. Look, you have to copy this UID number in here. This is the names and this is the UID number place. As I pasted the UID numbers, so it is enabled to read the card like this. These are my friends' name. So these are my friends' name. Like when I put this card, it will say Samin 19 present. The second card I will put in here, it will say Jihad 11 present. And this is my name, Shafi, that's me, 34 present. And this is my best friend, Nafis. When I put there, it is Nafis 44 present. So like this video. If you want to see more videos in this channel, subscribe to my channel. So bye bye.